Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Nite Ize DoohicKey. And this is a little key tool, like the kind of thing that you would clip on your keychain. And, let's see. Okay. Designed and engineered by Nite Ize in Boulder, USA, manufactured in China. Okay. So, it's made in China. Let's see what it's got. According to this, it's got a ruler, which handles about maybe a little under 2 inches of ruling. You have the little hex wrenches here. It does 1/4, 5/6, and 3/8. I think this would be an uncomfortable thing to use for that. It's got a little clip here to attach to your keychain. It's got the ubiquitous bottle opener, which is on literally every single metal thing ever. The box cutter, which is kind of just like a little, not really super sharp, but it's kind of a little bit of an edge. And they're calling this thing a screwdriver. Let's take this thing off the card and take a look at it. Alright. So, it's like, it seems pretty solid. I mean, it's not, I mean, it's cheap. It was like under $5, I want to say. And so, it's kind of not a bad little keychain contraption. And they have, I don't know if you can see it or not, they got millimeters on the back and inches on the front. Let's see. If I wanted to clip it to some keys, let's try it out. Alright, so you clip it to your keychain, like so. It's not super, like, I mean, my keychain is kind of at the point where I don't think I can add much more to it without it getting horribly difficult to manage anyway. But it's not too bad. The only thing is this little carabiner clip thing right here. It's the only thing. I don't know. It feels a little flimsy or a little cheap. But again, I guess you know it's $5. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Have any of y'all ever tried the Nite Ize DoohicKey? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Is there like a super keychain tool that I should check out? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.